Eu quero saber. Ah, menino!
Ai, caramba!
Come here! Come here!
Oh, no! Go, okay?
Oh, I got her! Oh.
Give me the...
Wow! In the water, I don't fucking know.
Oh!
Not a jacuzzi. Come on out.
You got it.
Can you spot a dumbass bitch?
Oh my god!
Good job, Whisper.
And she tried to do it again, and I was like, are you dumb? Because that just doesn't make sense. Like, it just wasn't getting through to her.
Take.
Leave me alone.
All right.
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 Puffy. Mila! Mila! Mila!
Dog.
No, 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 no.
You a test. When you go back to the manufacturer.
I'm about to lock the darn door!
Don't bark. Come here.
Did you get all your shopping done?
Hey. Hey.
Okay, just a little longer.
Her sister, because we're dealing with a very difficult day in Iggy World, aren't we, girls?
Now, stop.
Drugs? This is awkward. No, thank you.
Drugs.
Food?
Jesus. The fuck?
I always wondered, like, people that don't have cows.
You raise them, you send them to school.
Good morning, cows!
No.
What the hell? Hey, crazy! Mm.